Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the all-new 2026 Honda Prelude A. Legendary name has returned and Honda's brought it back with a modern twist. If you're into sleek design, hybrid performance, and a blend of sport and comfort, stick around because this one's got a lot to offer. Let's start with the exterior. The 2026 Prelude is a coupe that means business. It features a low-slung profile with sharp lines, aggressive LED headlights, and a front fascia that clearly borrows cues from the Civic Type R, but with a more refined touch. The sleek two-door design flows into a fastback-style rear with bold taillights and a subtle spoiler, giving it a sporty but classy appearance. The 19-inch alloy wheels and sculpted body panel scream performance without going over the top. A step inside, and it's clear Honda wanted the Prelude to feel premium and driver-focused. The cockpit layout is clean, modern, and surprisingly upscale for a Honda. You've got a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and an intuitive 10.2-inch infotainment screen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The seats are heavily bolstered but comfortable with suede and leather finishes, and the flat-bottom steering wheel adds a sporty touch. Even the rear seats are usable, though best for short trips or small passengers. When it comes to comfort, Honda nails the balance. The cabin is quiet thanks to improved insulation and active noise cancellation. The suspension is tuned for sporty responsiveness, but it doesn't punish you over bumps. Daily driving is smooth and composed with enough ride compliance to make long drives enjoyable. The climate system is dual-zone automatic, and the seats come with both heating and ventilation, making it easy to get comfortable in any season. Now the fun part: performance. The 2026 Prelude is powered by a hybrid setup pairing a 2.0-liter Atkinson cycle engine with dual electric motors pumping out a combined 204 horsepower. The result is quick low-end torque, smooth acceleration, and impressive fuel economy. The CVT handles the shifts, but it's tuned to feel responsive, not lazy. Plus, with selectable drive modes including Sport and EV, only you can tailor the drive to your mood. It's not a track monster, but it's agile and fun on twisty road too. Wrap it up, the 2026 Honda Prelude marks a strong return for a beloved nameplate. It's stylish, sporty, efficient, and modern, all while staying true to Honda's reputation for reliability and value. It may not be a pure sports car, but it fills the gap perfectly between daily comfort and weekend fun. If you're looking for a sleek hybrid coupe that turns heads and handles like a dream,